Okay, now that I have a meter that can read temperature, I think it's time to do some temperature tests on a few of the window air conditioners. This is a Fluke 325 true RMS clamp meter. I have the thermocouple plugged into it right now. This can do AC and DC voltage reading, continuity, capacitance, temperature, AC and DC amps with that clamp on top, as well as hertz or frequency with the clamp as well. So let me take this in the other room and put the thermocouple inside of the output vent to one of the air conditioners. So here's what we're putting out on high fan speed. I'm going to turn it down and see if the temperature gets lower. Now we're on low. This is the air conditioner we're testing, by the way. And as you can see, it is dropping. Now there's less air moving past the evaporator coil. It's about 85 degrees outside right now. For anyone who doesn't know, this is a 1997 Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU air conditioner. It's got a Matsushita rotary compressor, Samsung fan motor, and it is R22. So here's where we are right now. Definitely went down once I put it on low. Looks like it's just about leveled off. So that's pretty good. Alright, I think this is going to be our final reading. I'm going to take this thing downstairs and we'll see what kind of temperature the Samsung air conditioner is putting out. Here we are again on high. And as you can see, the temperature did go up a little bit, but that seems to me right where it should be.